We'll guide you through how to use templates in Asana. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Asana on your desktop and navigate to the home page. On the left sidebar, you'll see the New Project button. Click on it, and a pop-up will appear with different options. Choose Use a template from the options presented. This will take you to a library of templates categorized by different needs like marketing, design, and operations. Browse through the categories to find a template that fits your project requirements. Once you've found the right template, click on it to see more details about what it includes and how it can help streamline your workflow. Then you can click on the Use Template button. Asana will prompt you to name your project and choose the team it will be associated with. After entering these details, click on Create Project. This will set up your new project using the template you selected. You'll notice that the project comes pre-filled with tasks and sections based on the template. You can customize these tasks to fit your specific needs by editing task names, due dates, and assignees. If you need to add more tasks or sections, you can do so by clicking the Add Task or Add Section buttons within the project. Using templates saves you time and helps maintain consistency across projects. It's a great way to ensure that nothing falls through the cracks. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.